Connecting Point, we're introducing a new tool called Quickpass. This tool is designed to make password resets and changes easier for you, the user. This video will guide you through the setup process. The process begins with a welcome email from Connecting Point. In this email, you'll find a link to register the mobile phone number associated with the device the Quickpass app will be installed on. You'll then be prompted to enter your phone number. Once you've registered your number, a temporary code will be sent to you via text. Enter this code and click Verify to proceed. Next, you'll see a message with a direct link to download the Quickpass app from the Apple or Google Play Store. After downloading and launching the app, please be sure to allow all notifications. This is essential for receiving alerts about upcoming password expirations or any potential account lockouts. With the app installed and notifications enabled, continue by entering your work email address when prompted. You'll then receive a verification code via text. You'll need to enter the code to verify your account. After verification, you can see when your password is set to expire based on your organization's current password policy. Quickpass is designed to streamline the way you manage your passwords, providing you with easy and secure access to self-serve password resets and changes. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll have everything you need to get started. If you encounter any issues, please contact the Connecting Point Help Desk for further assistance.